Of Hurricane Maria just came ashore in Puerto Rico.
The winds are ferocious right now.
The island is destroyed. 150-mile-an-hour winds ripping buildings apart.
And now they're dealing with this. Flooding.
People ordered to stay inside until at least tomorrow.
Hospitals damaged, running on generator power. Emergency management now confirms 100% of Puerto Rico now without power.
People are still being rescued.
People looking for help piled into the back of military trucks. Others help themselves.
The kids wanted to be part of helping, and they know that there's no better way to heal than play. So they wanted to raise funds for a new playground for the children here in Puerto Rico.
Greetings from San Juan, Puerto Rico. We had the opportunity to be here this week to build and dedicate a wonderful playground project as part of a disaster relief effort here in the city of San Juan.
Happy to have your donation to come from Puerto Rico and do this beautiful playground. Thank you so much, and I hope that you can help another kids around the world. Thank you.
GameTime. It was such a joy to work with you to build this playground. You're an absolute joy to work with. Thank you for bringing play and healing and joy to kids all over the world.